How to update Google Play Store on Android. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are about to update our Google Play Store. So it is very necessary to update your Play Store for bug-free and working smoothly. So let's see how we can do it. So you can open up Google Play Store. For that, we open up the Google Play Store app and we can tap on our profile picture in the top right corner. So tap on it. And once you tap on it, what we need to do is we need to scroll down and find the option for settings. So we can tap on settings next. And within settings here, you'll be finding four different options. You need to look out for the option called about. We can select this very last option called about. And when we do this, we may scroll down and if an update is available, we'll be finding option called update Play Store. So you just need to tap on it and wait for it and tap on understood if it is up to date. But usually if an update is available, it updates automatically. Otherwise, it will directly show that the Play Store is up to date. And that will probably do it. You may basically follow up this method for that to update it. And that's it. That is how we update our Google Play Store and keep it up to date on our Android device. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in next one.